Hello, and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to guide you through the steps to pair your JBL Charge 4 with a Bluetooth device. Power on your JBL Charge 4 by pressing the power button located on the top of the speaker. You'll hear a short power-up sound, and the power LED will light up. Put your JBL Charge 4 into pairing mode by pressing the Bluetooth button, also located on the top of the speaker. Press and hold this button until the Bluetooth LED starts blinking, indicating the speaker is in pairing mode. On your Bluetooth device, phone, tablet, or computer, go to the Bluetooth settings. Ensure Bluetooth is enabled, and then search for new devices. Look for JBL Charge 4 inches in the list of available devices. Once you see it, select it to initiate pairing. Wait for a moment until the pairing is completed. You'll hear a confirmation sound from your JBL Charge 4, and the Bluetooth LED will remain lit, indicating a successful connection. If prompted for a PIN on your Bluetooth device, enter 0000, although most devices will connect without needing a PIN. Your device and the JBL Charge 4 are now connected. You can start playing audio from your device, and it will stream through your speaker. And there you have it. Quick and easy steps to connect your JBL Charge 4 with any Bluetooth device.